Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's story name is Most Liked Food of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Milk. Prophet Muhammad drank pure milk because he loved it. हमारे प्यारे नबी को दूध पीना बहुत पसंद था. Dates are sweet in taste and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very fond of dates and took them in different ways. प्यारे नबी को खजूरें खाना बहुत पसंद था. Honey. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked honey very much and used it with pleasure. हमारे प्यारे नबी को शहद खाना बहुत पसंद था. Olives. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked olives very much. He used olive oil in different foods. हमारे प्यारे नबी को जैतून खाना बहुत पसंद था और जैतून का तेल खानों के ऊपर डालकर उसे खाना भी बहुत पसंद था. Vinegar. Our Prophet went to Haniya's house and asked if she had something to eat. She replied, "Yes, I have vinegar." He said, "Whoever has vinegar in the house will never be poor." हमारे प्यारे नबी को सिरका इस्तेमाल करना भी बहुत पसंद था. Prophet Muhammad liked watermelon very much and ate it with dates. हमारे प्यारे नबी को तरबूज खाना बहुत पसंद था और वो उसके साथ खजूरें भी नोश फरमाते थे. Gourd is one of the vegetable much liked by Prophet Muhammad. He picked up its pieces from his curry and stew and relished eating it. प्यारे नबी को कद्दू खाना बहुत पसंद था. Grapes. Prophet Muhammad liked grapes too much. He mixed grapes, dates and currant with water and kept it for a few minutes before drinking it. प्यारे नबी को अंगूर खाने बहुत पसंद थे.